Hey, we're back. Alright, now all I did is I went and put some resin on that back edge. Okay? Now, you gotta see this. Keep them big old feet out of the way and I'll let you step up here and watch this. Okay? Now we just want to put this layer right on that back edge. Right on it. This worked out awesome, people. Okay, I thought of this one all by myself. This glass will just twist right around this curve. Now we gotta just work with it. Be a little rough with it. This saved a big old headache right here. Made it easy, you know. Bam! There's one layer. Some of these like these leading edges, people, especially them leading edges. If you leave that long, it wants to curl and lay over, and it'll pull it off that leading edge. So that leading edge has to be trimmed pretty short, and that'll alleviate that chipping problem on your leading edge. So I'm all about the least amount of work. And believe it or not, people, that's why I decided to go with this. Because in the long run, it's easier than our other options. Okay? Our other options was cutting more foam. You know, to make two wings, or, you know, and now that I got the plug made, I just might as well make two of them. Then I could use that other plug for other things, and it's the original mother plug, so everything will fit, and it's just going to work out best in the long run, people. Well, what's it going to take me? I could have made this wing in a day, but I kind of took a break. I've been working hard. You know, I took it easy today and just cruised. But I could have made another one in a day now. So there's really not an issue, you know. You know, it ain't like making two of them from another piece of foam. That was going to be the job. I'd much rather do this than, you know, then I'm back to the rough glass, bondoing. Same, hard work. Ooh. This was just an easier issue. Or, you know. Okay. Now let's put another layer down here. I only got two layers on this trailing edge. And then I fill this trailing edge up with glue, people, and it's got 6 layers, you know, in the middle there. So this old trailing edge is going to be true. You know what I mean? Fraying just a freckle right there. I'll take care of that. saturate this cloth right here, man. The next 3 layers will go quick though. Okay, bam. Got them 2 layers on there. Oh, and 3 minutes left. Now we want to put another layer on, people. I'm going to work away till that time runs out. I'm just going to keep going. So I'm going to do this three more times. Got my glass on cut. I'm going to get this thing done tonight. But look at the cloth this thing's eating up. So I have to do it. You know, I just barely got it big enough and 5 foot of wax. It's going to be worth it. Okay, let's keep this part clean so no resin on it. So this piece is good. And this is scrap. Now I'm just going to trim this short back here. Gonna get it laying flat. Finish trimming it. Pour the resin out, squeegee it on. We're home free now. Hard stuff's done.